Previously, we showed you how to queue up individual programs using the program number search function. And in that video, I showed you entering in the entire program number. But you actually don't have to do that. Let me show you what you can do instead. Today, I'm going to run program 726, reaction block / stress. To do so, I'll just enter in 726. And because I'd like to enter another program, I'm going to press comma. We see it's right there. Now, we'll enter 149, and because there are multiple 149s, I'm going to hit the dot, and then enter. And we're going to see we've got two options here. Today, I want nervous system and brain support, so I'm going to press enter. And here's our full program sequence. If we hit enter again, we go to our information windows, and we can start the treatment.